In 1987, the U.S. Congress designated March as National Women's History Month, creating a special opportunity for our schools, workplaces, and communities to recognize and celebrate the often overlooked achievements of American women. Today, March 8th, is International Women's Day, a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. Now, much progress has been made, but there are many more opportunities for change. Of the 143 million plus working Americans, approximately 47% are women, a percentage that continues to rise. Though women make up 80% of healthcare workers, just 40% are executives. I'm very proud to lead an organization where diversity and inclusion are among our top priorities in creating a productive and successful workforce. Here at Downstate Medical Center, women represent more than 61% of our workforce. Women comprise 51% of our students, assuring that Downstate continues to contribute to the steady rise in a highly qualified and skilled healthcare workforce. I'm proud that there are strong women leaders in many areas of Downstate, including at the administrative, clinical, managerial, academic, and service levels. To that end, on Tuesday, March 20, we will honor some of Downstate's leaders in these areas at the second annual Dr. Dale Blackstock Women's History Month Lecture and Awards Ceremony. I would like to acknowledge and thank the women at Downstate for their commitment and dedication to our students, patients, faculty, staff, and the external community. As the father of two young women, I am proud to join the millions of others in celebrating the contributions and accomplishments of women all over the world. Wishing you all a great International Women's Day.